Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your face look smaller in a photo. So here I'm using the Wing app on my phone. To easily start, you can just scroll down and find this face option. Now you can choose the photo that you want to edit. For example, here I'm going to use these photos right here. Tap on start. Now you can see this option lift. You can click on that and adjust it. You can see it will start looking smaller. You can also adjust the narrow in here and the length. Okay, you can always adjust it again. I'm going to make the forehead smaller like this, and I'm going to adjust the lift again. So to compare the result, you can click on this buttons right here. So this is the before and this is the after. You can see the face looks smaller now. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.